Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to enable voice speech to text feature in your keyboard of Samsung Galaxy A17. It's really simple. You just need to go to your settings, then scroll down and go to General Management. From here you will see Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on it and scroll down. And here you will see voice input option. Tap on it and from here you can select Samsung voice input or Google. I prefer Google, so let's select it. Now let's check. So let's check on notes. It is working or not. As you can see, this icon will appear. Let's see. Hey, long time no see. So as you can see, it is working absolutely fine. I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in next video.